latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The whole of USA has been at the receiving end during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. America is the worst affected country with the highest number of COVID-19 cases. Now, many experts have dropped a bombshell saying that things can worsen by the end of this year in the USA. Health experts at the University of Washington say nearly 3 lakh people could die from COVID-19 in the US by December 1st. They say the only way out is if Americans consistently follow rules like wearing masks and follow social distancing. We are seeing a roller coaster ride in the United States. It appears that people are wearing masks and socially distancing more frequently as infections increase. Then, after a while, as infections drop, people let their guard down. According to the Johns Hopkins University, nearly 160,000 people have died in the United States since the pandemic began. Over 48 lakh people have been infected with the deadly disease so far. Healthcare in the US has been overwhelmed due to the deadly pandemic. The predictions come the same day the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention released an ensemble forecast that projects over 180,000 deaths by August 29th. State-level ensemble forecasts predict that the number of reported new deaths per week may increase over the next 4 weeks in Hawaii and Puerto Rico and may decrease in Florida, Mississippi, New Mexico, the Northern Mariana Islands, Ohio, Texas, Vermont, and the Virgin Islands. The forecast relies on 24 individual forecasts from many institutions and researchers. Dr. Anthony Fauci, who is part of the COVID-19 task force at the White House, said that the levels can go down if people do things the right way. We can be way down in November if we do things correctly and if we start right now. I really do believe, based on the data we see in other countries and in the United States, in states and cities and counties that have done it correctly, that if we pay attention to the fundamental tenets of infection control and diminution of transmission, we can be way down in November. Everybody on the team of American citizens needs to pull together. It's up to us. Fauci's advice has been ignored for a long time by the Trump administration. US President has hinted at a potential vaccine before the presidential elections in November. The US government has signed deals worth more than $6 billion with several vaccine companies. Economies of all the countries are badly affected because of the pandemic. People are hoping that things return to normalcy in the months to come.